Hello, YouTube. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you're in charge of a facility, you know that your maintenance budget isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about insightful decision-making that keeps your operations moving smoothly. In today's video, we're going to equip you with the knowledge you need to create a budget that fits your unique needs. We'll explore what every facility maintenance budget needs to include, how to determine your spending, and the factors that should influence your budgeting decisions. So, stick with us as we take a closer look at budgeting for facility maintenance. When it comes to running a facility, understanding and managing your maintenance budget is crucial. It's not just about costs, it's about making smart decisions that keep your operations smooth and your expenses in check. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of budgeting for facility maintenance, ensuring you have all the tools you need to craft a budget that fits your unique needs. Let's kick things off by discussing what absolutely needs to be included in every facility maintenance budget. First up, consider the type of building you're managing and the specific nature of the work conducted there. This could range from a school to a manufacturing plant, each with its own set of maintenance demands. Next, routine maintenance and repairs are a must. These are the regular tasks necessary to keep your facility in top shape and prevent costly breakdowns. Now, how much should you actually be spending on these? Well, it varies widely. For instance, maintenance costs can account for about 82% of a church's annual budget, which is a substantial portion. However, for facilities dealing with specialized equipment like those in the medical field, the percentage could be significantly different. Moving on to the factors that should influence your budgeting decisions. The age and location of your building play a pivotal role. Costs can differ dramatically between cities or even within different parts of the same city. The need for special equipment, potential construction costs, and even the costs associated with hiring and labor must all be considered. It's also wise to prepare for unexpected changes and unscheduled events, which can throw a wrench in the most well-planned budgets. For those managing facilities that require special equipment, it's suggested that about 10% of your budget should be allocated towards service contracts. And when it comes to construction costs, these should reflect the actual amount of installation and construction your facility undertakes. Don't overlook the importance of materials and inventory. Depending on your industry, the standard ratio of labor to materials can vary. For example, in a high-speed manufacturing plant, this ratio might be 50-50, whereas in a custodial business, it could be more like 85-15. When calculating hiring and labor costs, consider not only the direct labor rate, but also fringe benefits and overhead costs, which can include everything from supervision to office supplies. It's also crucial to leave room in your budget for changes. You might find that what worked one year isn't suitable the next. This flexibility can help accommodate unexpected needs or changes in your facility's strategy. Now, how should you build this budget? Start with clear, quantifiable goals and make sure to include a buffer for unforeseen expenses. It's also beneficial to use tools like computerized maintenance management software systems, CMMS, to streamline the budgeting process and keep track of all your maintenance tasks. And what should you avoid including in your budget? Keep it focused. Don't let it sprawl into areas that aren't directly related to facility maintenance. This ensures that every dollar is accounted for and used efficiently. To wrap up, crafting the right facility maintenance budget requires a good look at your financial records, understanding your current operations, and having discussions with those who know your facility best. It's a strategy that might take time to perfect, but once in place, it can significantly enhance your operational efficiency and profitability. By following these insights, you're well on your way to developing a maintenance budget that not only cuts costs, but also boosts your bottom line. Remember, the right strategy is out there, and it's within your reach to master it. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the essentials of budgeting for facility maintenance, including what to include, how to determine spending, and the factors that influence your decisions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the right strategy is within your reach, and we're here to help you master it.